What's good, YouTube? It's Car Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. It's been a while, man. I ain't posted in 2 weeks, cuz. 2 weeks, man. And we popping out with a nighttime POV, man. Hopefully y'all rock with it. If y'all don't, oh well. Yeah, man, we back with a nighttime POV, man. You feel me? Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell. Damn. So you won't miss another banger from me. But yeah, man, we in a little calm street mode. I ain't trying to go too crazy. I'm just finna grab some food real quick. But why I do that? Why not? You know what I'm saying? Kill 2 birds, 1 stone. Make a dog lick a bone. Look like. It sound crazy. Yeah, it been a minute, man, since I did a POV or just drove my car, you know what I'm saying, playing around in it, for real. Besides just driving like a granddaddy, you know what I'm saying. In real life, I drive like a granddaddy. Oh, yeah. Damn. Talk to me, Olivia. Oh, talk to me. She don't want to do it no more. She getting a little camera shy. Ooh. A little something. Bro, one thing I hate with traffic and people, like civilians, bro, when y'all niggas be coming to the stop sign, like how I just passed that car, and y'all be rolling all the way to where y'all bumping in the road, bro. And then, like, you know what I'm saying, like, you don't want to stop. They don't want to stop last minute. Like, dang, bro, what you looking at, your feet? But yeah, this is the day after the hurricane, man, you feel me? Well, you know, yeah, or the day of, actually, but you can say the day after, but the day of. You know what I'm saying, after the hurricane, man, hopefully all y'all safe out there, man, for the most part. I don't know where all my people at that watch me. I know some of y'all probably in Florida. Most of y'all in Georgia. You know what I'm saying? I know the A got hit pretty good. Stick 'em. Woo. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully all y'all good, man. Everybody safe, you feel me? Cause I know they had a few tragedies during this storm. But hopefully all the car crew straight, man. And prayers out to the ones, you know what I'm saying, that, you know what I'm saying, housemate got hit, flooded, power out, whatever like that, man. Hopefully everybody get right. You know what I'm saying? But the storm supposed to go straight through where we was at, man, in Georgia, boy. But it's like the Lord blessed us for real, man. Lord real life blessed us, boy. Like, we were supposed to be out of there, boy. Well, not out of there, but you know what I'm saying, like, down bad. Nigga supposed to be down bad. Wouldn't even be recording right now. You feel me? If it would have went how I supposed to went. But thank God for that, you feel me? It's just crazy because everybody been going crazy buying all the water. Walmart ain't got no water but the Sunny and Fiji water. And niggas bought that bit for nothing. And bought all that gas, filled their tanker with their last paycheck. The last little bit of their paycheck for nothing. That was just funny to me, but you know, rather be safe than sorry, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, y'all, if anybody was affected, you know what I'm saying, by Hurricane Helen or Helene or Saline, whatever they call, y'all comment down below, man. You know what I'm saying? What state y'all in? What state y'all from? You know what I'm saying? Look at 12. 12 be roaming, I did, bitch. Going to a little hiding spot. I gotta come back through that way. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Prayers to all the family, man. On a serious note, for real. You know what I'm saying? I just ain't no joke. I know we can't, America can't take nothing serious. You know, we be joking our life away when it come to anything. Be on TikTok and going crazy. You feel me? Everybody wanna get their views. It's cool, but you know, like, I'm serious to it, man. Hopefully all y'all straight. I am. Well, yeah, man, luckily we was alright, man. We didn't get affected by it or nothing like that, so it's But anyway, what y'all boy got going on, man? You know what I'm saying? Comment down below how y'all feeling, you know what I'm saying? Wherever you watching this, whatever time you watching this video. It may not be nighttime, maybe daytime. Y'all boy just comment down below, man. Where going? You feel me? What state you from? Was you affected by the hurricane? You feel me? What state you from? Were you affected by the hurricane? And Yeah, just comment anything. What you want to see next? Just showing love. However you look at it. Olivia do sound pretty straight though. I ain't gonna lie. Olivia ain't just loud, bro, but she sound pretty decent for, you know what I'm saying, stock exhaust. Not like stock, like as in like, you know what I'm saying, fully stock mufflers and all that from the factory, but like stock exhaust as in like no cat back, axle back, none of that. Like, you feel me? Just stock exhaust. Nighttime POV though, you know what I'm saying? Purple ambient lighting. You feel me? Give y'all boys something to look at. Stickle. Something slight. Got that mug in sport. I ain't trying to go that crazy. Oh, come on, cuz. Like, they might be talking about what you sped up for, bro. Like, folk, that might be talking about, bro. Dumb ass nigga like that. Can't no way you that dumb, cuz. Like, there ain't no way you that dumb, bro. There ain't no way you that dumb, bro. Like, you see me finna get over and speed by because a car getting in front of me, your dumb ass gonna speed up, bro, like last minute. Stick 'em. I ain't said stick 'em in a while, bro. I'm gonna get back to saying that, bro. That, you know what I'm saying? That's my thing, you feel me? My bad, y'all, boy. I wasn't even looking at the camera. I'm recording the side. But yeah, man. Something smooth, something slight, you feel me? But yeah, man, it been 2 weeks though, bro. Dang, this is I done posted, man, like, crazy. I know y'all, boy. You know I only got a couple hundred of y'all that rocking with me for real. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all, you feel me? Out of the 15K, I got like 300, 400, 500 of y'all that rock with me. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. That 500 to start, you know what I'm saying, doubling. You know what I'm saying? That 500 will start doubling to, you know, 5,000. Then, you know what I'm saying, 10,000. But we back, you feel me? Something smooth, something slight, nothing too crazy. We're gonna start back, you know what I'm saying, dropping complete bankers, you feel me? Like lit turn POV. I just been kind of giving y'all boys a break, you know what I'm saying? I know sometimes the POV be, you know what I'm saying, be a lot. I don't want to oversaturate it. But you can just do anything, any kind of POV, anytime. Like, but I just ain't did a nighttime POV in a minute. And traffic be the best at nighttime, so you feel me? So I can't even complain about that. But yeah, man. I'm gonna grab me something easy, cuz. You nigga look about clothes, ain't it? Y'all niggas ain't clothes. Better not be clothes, but I get on your ass. Little eye, little back ass. Little back ass, knee pad, face ass. Meatball nose ass. But yeah, man. That can be a wrap for today's video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And keep God first, keep him in the midst, like I say for all my religious folk, man. And like I said, now the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.